G'day guys, Will here, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be installing our EK Waterblock onto the reference RTX 2080 Ti graphics card. So I've done a couple of GPU waterblock installation videos in the past on this channel. We've always gone into a lot of really fine detail. I've talked you through exactly what I'm doing step by step, basically in real time. And while those videos are interesting, they do tend to be a little bit long, and I'm aware that a lot of you guys just want sort of a quick video that just shows you all the important steps. So that's what we're going to try to achieve with this video. So we're going to time lapse the installation. We'll pause at any of the tricky bits, anything that I think requires a little bit more detail. But yeah, we should get things done a lot quicker this time around. So without further ado, let's jump in and get started. Okay guys, so that is the installation of our EK Waterblock onto our Founders Edition RTX 2080 Ti, and yeah, no issues at all to speak of with the installation. Obviously it's a virgin card, so we haven't powered it up yet to see if it actually works, but yeah, we didn't run into any snags whatsoever. The only thing you just need to be aware of there is that you will need a 4mm hex driver. You want to make sure it's got a relatively narrow head as well, so you don't accidentally knock any surface mount components off the PCB. But other than that, very, very simple to install. I know people get a little bit nervous about doing these. I got absolutely freaked out the first time I did one of these, but yeah, I've done that many of them now that it's really not an issue, and there's really nothing to be anxious about with it. It's pretty hard to mess this up as long as you take your time and don't rush. Make sure you read the instructions twice. As they say, measure twice and cut once. But that is it for today's video. Hit the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed it. There are some links in the description below to the products that you've seen in this video as well. And yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well so you don't miss the rest of this build. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. So I'll see you again soon. Bye.